Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to quickly get some amazing shots of this coffee bag out of our virtual photo studio. A friend of mine sells fair trade coffee on Instagram and she asked me to help her create appealing visual content. I told her to not worry, as she does not have a 3D model of her product yet. I started browsing the web for a suitable 3D model right away, and found a model in a web shop that has almost the exact same shape as her real-life product does. Take a look if the model comes in a file format that we support. In this case, both formats are fine. Add the model to the cart, buy it, and then download the model as well as the normal map. But more to that later on. Check out the link below to get to know further sources of where to easily get 3D models from. Also find out which file formats we currently support. We are ready to start setting up the model in our studio. Go to the Products section and upload the shape of the product first. Click on the Upload field, or simply drag and drop. Your 3D model will be optimized. This step can take a few minutes, especially for large files. To continue, click Edit the 3D Shape button. If you lose track of your model in our editor while moving or rotating, press H on your keyboard to center it. We now first adjust the real-world size and rotation to correctly display the product in photo shoots. In our case, the rotation is fine, and we choose a size of 10 centimeters. Within the last step, we will apply the right materials to the product and also apply the label. The coffee bag is made out of recycled plastic, so we will look for a plastic material that is matte and matches the material on the product. Simply click on the respective category, filter closer to your result by specifying further characteristics of the material. Take a look at the preview images to get a glimpse of how the material will look on your product. Let's now apply plastic. As our 3D model did not come with a placeholder label, I do not know the exact format in which we should prepare the label. That's why I use the placement grid as a template for adjusting the design files in a graphic design software. You can see that numbers 29 and 30 are in the center of the front. This gives me guidance on creating and placing elements of the label in the right place. As the product consists of two different materials or layers, we will also add a mask layer on top to cut out certain areas of the label. The magic with masks is the following. Everything that is white will be displayed on the product and all black parts will be invisible. Let's therefore add a second material on top, in this case a metal material. Upload the masked part of the label by clicking on the Layer Mask field. You can clearly observe that all the white parts from the layer mask are added on top of the first layer we added. Let's colorize the masked layer by choosing a bright red. Everything is set up now, but let me give you a pro user tip. Do you remember the file called normal map we had in our download folder? We apply it to the ground layer with the plastic material on. In 3D, normal maps are used for adding details to your model without the need to change the 3D model's geometry itself. Make sure that UV channel object default is selected. You see the result in our product editor and on the final photo. Now our 3D product is ready to use in photo shoots. Go to a template and quickly load into the 3D scene. The studio offers a pretty versatile selection of moods and styles. There is something for everyone. Remove or exchange unwanted objects within the scene. Now select the product and then take a high-quality photo. As my friend wants to fill her Instagram channel with great content, we select the Instagram post aspect ratio and press the photo button. After a few minutes, the photo is ready and can now be downloaded and posted on Instagram. If you experience any issues during the whole process, feel free to contact our support team or the 3D artist of your choice. Take a look at the amazing result we achieved together.